bank account in the cash book and the bank statement are summarized as follow. So when there is the item show only in your cash book but not in the bank statement, there is a situation of check not yet presented. Means that my cash book already recorded as money payout, but the bank statement not show as this particular amount paid. So, and part B is amount not yet credited. My cash book already recorded I received this particular check, but maybe due to the different timing, the last date of the month, then only I bank in. So there is not enough time to reflect in your bank statement record. So then it might record in the next bank statement. And errors in cash book, such as I say, supposed to be 100 by accidentally because of the human error, I put it as a 10. So you need to adjust in your cash book. Cash book make the mistake, you must adjust in the cash book. Alright, so the cash not, the part A and B, check not yet presented, I must put into the bank reconciliation because my cash book already recorded, but my bank statement haven't. So I create a simulator, something like simulator bank statement. We give a name as a bank reconciliation. So I add back those who are not presented yet. So I check whether at the end of the day the balance will be same as my cash book as or not. Okay, item in the bank statement but not show in the cash book, such as the bank charges. As I say, charges and the bank interest will only know when I receive the bank statement. So your cash book might not recorded before the bank statement arrive. So part B, dishonor check. Dishonor check is the money that I pay, but actually it's insufficient money in my bank. So they bounce back the check and then they treated this check as invalid. Okay, standing order. Standing order is giving the permission to pay a certain amount to others. Credit transfer is direct from the bank. Direct debit same, similar to the credit transfer. Error on bank statement. So there is some typo or the human errors for the charges numbers, then you need to adjust your bank reconciliation to make it balance. And the dividends, sometimes dividends will only directly debit into your bank, credit into your bank, but you did not know until you receive the bank statement. Okay, next slide. These are the steps that when we prepare the updated cash flow and the bank reconciliation. Why do we need to prepare the updated cash flow? Because the cash book that are recorded at the end of the day, once I receive the bank statement, they are not the same balance. They are not the same balance, then I need to check where is the amount that I need to adjust in order to create a new updated cash book so that my new updated balance BD is accurate, which is correct. Then I can continue the next month transaction by using the updated cash flow balance. Otherwise, I will carry the mistake to the next month and continue to the end of the accounting period. So therefore, every month when I receive the bank statement, I have to cross-check within the cash flow that I prepare and the bank statement I receive. If they are not same, you must adjust. Okay, step 1. Once you receive the bank statement, cross-check with the transaction shown in the cash book and with the bank statement. BS is the bank statement. Mark a tick if appear in both cash book and bank statement. So the remaining untick, I need to do some adjustment. So step 2, enter the item shown only in the cash book but not in the bank statement into the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, step 3, enter the item shown only in the bank statement but not in the cash book into the updated cash book account. So then I can compare two of them. Bank reconciliation is double confirm whether my updated cash book is correct or not. Okay, step 4, updated the cash book with the corrected balance BD amount. Now my balance BD is correct. Previously, it might not reflect the dishonor check and the errors and also the bank charges and others like the unpresented check. So all this I already adjusted. And now that is the corrected balance. I can further and record all my incoming transaction now. Otherwise, I cannot do any record in my cash book. Okay, step 5, prepare the bank reconciliation and the balance must be same as the updated cash book balance. This movement, this move is to ensure the updated cash book balance is correct. Okay. And now, by referring to the workthrough 14.4, I'm using this question to make it as an example to discuss how the step I do before I get into the cash book updated balance amount. So you will see two cash book here. On your left hand side, there is a cash book bank columns only. This is the outdated one. Before I receive the bank statement, I already prepare. And then you see left hand side, the bottom, there is the Regina Bank Limited West District. This is your bank statement of April. And compared to the cash book above, there is not the same balance. Can you see the 2018 May 1st balance BD, which is here with this one. They are not same with this one. Okay, so therefore I need to prepare a new updated what's it called, the new updated cash book. So this is outdated one, this is the updated. Therefore my balance will at the end of the day same with the simulated bank statement I created. Okay, this one basically is the outdated one, here outdated and updated. So according to the bank statement here, then I quickly check which are the items already appear to both sides, bank statement that I received and the cash book that I recorded before I received the bank statement. So you can see the opening balance are same. So credit in bank statement means the money in. Debit in bank statement means minus out. This is plus, this is minus. Okay, let me write this. Alright, and then I check. Okay, this one, yes, correct. I mark a tick. And the next item, D Jawadi. Okay, they won't give you the names, but you need to see the numbers. Are they appear here? Debit side in my cash flow means money in, right? Debit plus. So I need to compare the plus with the plus side. Credit with the minus side. Credit with debit instead in bank statement. Debit cash book compared to the credit column of the bank statement. Okay, first thing first, I compare the debit with the credit bank statement first. So 24970 credit, yes. And 42420, yes. And how about the 13153? This item, credit transfer, it is not appear here. So I highlighted in green color. And now I compare the credit side of my cash book, the outdated cash book, with my newly received bank statement debit side, because they are minus, okay? So do I have these 2, 3, 4 purchases appear here? No, there's error. Can you see that? They record as 243 in my bank statement. Alright, so it is error happens. So I am accidentally record 243 and the check represent as 234. This is 243.